Since 1934, Wakol has been focused on creating industry-leading adhesive solutions. Wakol D3120 LVT LVP Adhesive is a dry set, pressure-sensitive adhesive designed for easy application and outstanding performance. Meet Eric Underwood, our Wakol application specialist. Let's discuss the key features that make Wakol D3120 LVT LVP Adhesive the right choice for your project.
With a flash time of 20 to 30 minutes over absorbent substrates and 40 to 60 minutes over non-absorbent substrates, you have the flexibility you need to achieve a successful installation. The extended working time of Wakol D3120 gives you the flexibility to install larger areas without the risk of losing its tack. Using the Wakol A1 trowel, you can cover up to 270 square feet per gallon. For carpet tile installation, you have the option of applying Wakol D3120 with the Loba Micro 6080 roller at 400 square feet per gallon. The Wakol D3120 is a versatile, pressure-sensitive adhesive compatible with a wide range of different resilient floor covering types, including LVT, LVP, sheet vinyl flooring, VCT, and even carpet tile. Wakol D3120 can be used directly over Wakol PU280 and Wakol MS330 moisture barriers. This adhesive has 0 VOCs and is easily cleaned up with water before the product dries. Ready for light foot traffic after 6 hours and full traffic after 24 to 72 hours depending on the climate. For optimal results, ensure job site conditions range between 60 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit with a relative humidity of 40 to 75%. Wakol D3120 adhesive has a shelf life of 12 months in an unopened bucket at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The product needs to be protected from freezing not below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's dive into the installation process.
Elevate your space with confidence, knowing that you have chosen Wakol D3120 LVT LVP Adhesive as a reliable, versatile, and environmentally friendly solution.